This video will demonstrate the features of the Assessment Manager of ARM Mobile. The Assessment Manager is used to select and/or create the assessments to perform. To access the Assessment Manager, choose Select Assessments from the main menu. A list of imported trials appears. Tap on the name of any trial, then tap on Assessment Manager. Assessments in this list were created in ARM software and exported through the trial definition. These are tied to specific columns in the ARM trial. So after notes are taken on one, it will be removed from this list. Expand the title to see the full description of the assessment, also called the assessment header. Add or edit information with the three dots menu to the right. The choices all come from the favorites lists in ARM software, so update the base info if needing more options. Tap Enter Assessment Details to fill in pest and crop information, including stage, density, diameter, and height. The assessment date is also recorded here. Tap Done to return to the Assessment Manager. To create a new assessment column, click the plus button. There are three ways to create a new assessment. Standard evaluations, or SEs, are the best way to organize and standardize rating headers across all note takers. An SE is simply a filled out assessment header saved to a file for reuse. There are two lists of SEs to pick from. Current trial are those attached to the SE definitions section of this specific trial. Check this list first, as these could be the SEs that the sponsor wants you to use for this trial. There is also the full list of SEs from your favorites list, with all of the SE files you have created and favorited in ARM. Selecting an SE creates one or more new columns to take notes in. You can see the description of the assessment is filled from the SE, but you can add additional information like the specific pest under Study. Another way to add an assessment is Copy Column. If you performed the same assessment a week ago or in a different trial, this creates a new assessment with the same header details as the previous assessment. Finally, the Ad Hoc option creates a completely empty assessment. You will have to fill in all assessment information by hand, so is not the most time-efficient option, but does ensure the ability to take notes on anything you encounter at the trial site. Note the minimum information necessary to create this assessment. To change the order of the assessments to be taken, tap the Sort icon and use drag and drop to move the selected ratings to the desired order. Tap Back to finalize the order. Tap back on the Assessment Manager to set up assessments in other trials, or if only rating one trial, then tap the ARM icon to go to the home page.